Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best acupressure mats that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Benua Acupressure Pillow Mat. Benua Acupressure Pillow Mat could be a great option if you need to eliminate tension and pain in a completely natural way. It features more than 5,000 ergonomic spikes that will activate your body acupuncture points. You just need to lie on it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and it is going to release of endorphins while promoting better sleep. In addition to that, you can use this acupressure mat and pillow set after you practice yoga to solve tension headaches, neck stiffness, tension relief, and fibromyalgia issues. The compression pads have a total of 210 needles, where each one of them has 25 compression pads. Moreover, the mat and the pillow is made of high-density filling and 100% cotton for durability. Lastly, you can use this acupressure mat in your bedroom, study room, or living room and comes with a convenient carry bag. Moving on at number 4, we have the Aikotoo Acupressure Pillow and Mat Massage Set Neck Pain and Chronic Back Relief. Laying on the Aikotoo Acupressure Mat and pillow offers great relaxation using your own body weight. The mat consists of more than 6,000 acupressure points, while the neck pillow has 1782 acupressure points to provide deep pinpoint stimulation. Ideally, the mat's spiked outer cover is made of cotton, while the inner part is made of plant-based ecofoam, which is soft. The spikes of the mats will massage acupressure meridians along your shoulders and spine, assisting you in relieving aches, reducing tension, relaxing muscles, and lowering neck and back pains. This cushioned foam acupressure mat is large enough and will cover your neck, waist, shoulder as well as your full back. Also, the included pillow with acute pressure points that you can place under your foot, leg, hip, face, chest, stomach, or any other position to offer full body massage. At number 3, we have the DoSense Pro Large Acupressure Pillow and Mat. The DoSense Pro Acupressure Mat set has thousands of spikes that help to give relief from back and neck pain. After lying on this 28 inches long massager mat for 20 minutes every day, it is going to release tension in your muscles while aiding your body to heal faster. Subsequently, it comes with a handy fabric carrying case that allows you to transport this mat to your gym to treat yourself after pushing and stretching your muscles. You can sit and lie in different positions on the acupressure pad to stimulate and revitalize your blood circulation. Moreover, you will reap all of the benefits without an extra cost. Thus, it is ideal for your home use. At number 2, we have the Ajna Acupressure Linen Cotton Mat Set. This is another great acupressure mat that promotes the pain-relieving effect on your whole body. It is going to melt away stress, tension, pain in a completely drug-free and natural manner. The mat has more than 7,000 ergonomically engineered spikes that unblock stagnant energy pathways and activate the body's innate healing response. You just need to lie on the mat and pillow to have a therapeutic and relaxing massage that will lull you to sleep and stimulate the release of endorphins. This acupressure mat may likewise help you to relieve neck tension, relieve upper and lower back pain, as well as deterring fibromyalgia, sciatica, and headaches. Another thing, the mat is going to allow you to have increased circulation and rejuvenate your skin's elasticity. Above all, this product is made of non-harmful and earth-friendly materials. And finally at number 1, we have the Prosource Fit Acupressure Pillow and Mat. This acupressure mat of Prosource Fit assists you reduce back pain, muscle tension, and headaches effectively. You just need to lay on the mat for 10 to 30 minutes daily to help you relax the muscles in the feet, neck, and back. This acupressure mat is large enough and includes a pillow covered in acupressure points that are going to support your neck. Another thing, this mat is going to reduce insomnia and improve your rest. Subsequently, the mat features thousands of acupressure points that are going to improve blood circulation and stimulate nerves for faster muscle recovery. This mat is made of plant-based ecofoam and 100% thick cotton. To conclude, it is ideal for athletes, active individuals, as well as people who sit at the desk for a long time. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.